Happy New Year as we are entering into 2022. My name is Nikhil Sathe. I'm Managing Director of Logician Advisors, a boutique investment bank that specializes in transportation and logistics sector. 2021 has gone so fast, and we have seen a lot of M&A activity in T&L space. Very strategic and far-reaching deals like TFI buying UPS Freight, Uber being invested by Greenbrier Equity, which was a catalyst in the private equity investments. Uber also buying Transplace. These are very strategic deals that have happened in 2021. We see a similar trend to continue and a lot more trend to continue in the mid-market T&L space, which is the 80% of the business activity in this sector. As we move into the 2022, I want to particularly mention about two sectors, two segments of this sector that are very important. One is e-commerce and fulfillment. We are going to see a tremendous activity in e-commerce and fulfillment in 2022, given the tailwinds that this segment has faced in the last 20 months of pandemic. There is an unprecedented activity going on in the fulfillment in North America and unprecedented occupancy levels. The margins are strong, the revenues are strong, EBITDAs are strong, and it's a unique opportunity for sailors in this space to really monetize for the best value. We believe that e-commerce ecosystem is getting deeper and larger, and a number of e-commerce internet retailers are entering the market that really provides a unique value to the 3PLs that are providing this service, whether it's a white label, whether it's a non-commoditized or value-added service. We believe that e-commerce investors will be looking for really those niche assets. Another segment that really requires attention here is transportation intermediaries or brokers. The market is extremely fragmented, and that requires to build a lot of scale and consolidation. Digital freight companies that are investing tremendous amount of money in technology and mousetraps are driving superior freight unit economics. Those companies have become very attractive to the buyers and investors. We see a tremendous value for these digital freight companies, whether it is transportation intermediaries, truckload brokers, LTL, freight forwarders. All those companies that are using transportation technology are, I think, going to be in greater demand because they are really driving a superior EBITDA and a lot of procurement efficiency. Let's talk about valuations. Valuations are influenced by the financing environment. Capital structure is influenced by the capital market. We are going to see a lot of valuation progression in this industry we have seen it in the last 12 months, and we are going to continue to see that progress in the next 12 to 18 months. There's an enormous dry powder out in the market. The capital markets are back in action with a sub-debt market, very opportunistic for making those investments in the mid-market sector. We believe that the sailors of transportation logistics mid-market companies have a unique opportunity to monetize in this very hot and very active M&A market, as the investors and the buyers are extremely keen in investing in very good, scalable, growth-oriented, and dynamic assets. Let's talk about the mid-market. Mid-market focuses on 80% of the concentration in the industry, and that's where we specialize as Logician. We believe that across all segments of mid-market, we are going to see a tremendous activity. A number of buyers and a lot of capital have chased logistics deals over a period of time. We are seeing a tremendous interest in T&L space now that we have seen a significant tailwinds that this industry has experienced in the last 20 months through the pandemic. Logician is in a very good position to help and maximize the value for the sailors and optimize their deal structure, since we are operators, that we have bought, sold, and operated logistics companies for over 3 decades. And we believe the mid-market space is going to be very opportunistic for those investors. Mid-market is the backbone of transportation logistics across all segments. We believe 2022 is going to be a tremendous year. I wish all sailors that they evaluate the opportunity to monetize for the best value in this very active market. Thank you. Have a great year ahead and looking forward to working with you. Thank you.